Welcome to a video of the parts channel. I'm going to make a short video that I find very interesting. Let's see. Someone has left me a question: who has disassembled the vacuum pump or brake vacuum of a diesel C Renault engine, and when you turn it, the air comes out at each turn? Let's see. If the air comes out, here you have a problem with the check valve, which is this. What happens is that this valve is not usually sold loose, and almost always you have to buy a new vacuum pump or brake depressor. Look, you can do some very simple tests. I'll leave you the link of another video I made. Okay? Now I'm going to show this one. Look, you put a simple balloon here. Okay, we are going to secure it. We secure it there, in the nozzle, and when you turn, this should not inflate. Not even start to inflate. Look, you see. Turn which way you turn, you don't care, because this check valve, what it does is prevent it from going out into the air, because if not, you couldn't create that vacuum. And the problem with this valve being bad is that not only is the vacuum not created, but through the valve, the engine oil will pass to the brake booster and can damage it also. That same oil is going to go through the entire vacuum circuit, and it will also reach the electric valves, solenoids, the turbo, the egress, etc., etc. Okay? Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.